Hello friends, in this video we are going to take a look at how to install Python on macOS, and we'll be downloading version 3.10.7. Okay, so let's see how to do that. So first of all, go to python.org. Okay, so just type python.org and open this website. Then you have to go to the download section, right? So here you have downloads, click on downloads. Then you see here, right, it's saying that download the latest version for macOS, and it's saying that download Python 3.10.7. So what you need to do is just click on this and you will see at the bottom, okay, Python 3.7, okay, this package is getting downloaded, right? 139, so it's 39 MB, right? So what you need to do, so now it's downloaded, just click on this. So it's going to, this pop-up is going to come, okay, to install Python. So now what you need to do is you just need to, okay, do a continue, again continue, history and license, continue. Now to continue installing the software, you must agree to the terms of the software license agreement. Here also just agree. Now this is the destination where it's going to get stored and requires 154.8 MB of space, right? So just continue. Then installation type, so that's also fine. Okay, in case you want to change the install location, you can change it, okay, using here. Okay, but we are just installing in the default location. So click on install. Now you will have to enter your password here, so let's enter that and click on install software. Now it'll start downloading, okay, all the files and everything. So let's wait for a while and a little more time. Yeah, so now as you see, right, this window will open and it'll tell you, okay, all the things, okay, that are installed. So once this is done, right, you just close this and you will see, okay, here like Python 3.10, okay, is created. Okay, so let me close this applications folder. So now you see that we have reached the last stage, which is summary, okay, and it's showing that congratulations, Python 3.10.7 for Mac OS 10.9 or later was successfully installed. So now what you need to do is you need to close this, okay, Python is installed, and now you can also, it's saying that do you want to keep this package in the current location, or you can move it to bin. So it's already installed, we can move it to bin. Okay, so click on move to bin. Now in order to check, okay, that the version is properly installed, what we are going to do is we are going to open the terminal application. Let's open this terminal. Okay, so now we have our terminal open. So now I'm just going to type Python 3.10, hit enter. So you see, right, this prompt will come, right, and it shows that Python 3.10.7, right? So this means that Python is correctly installed in your system. So this is how you download and install Python on macOS. Thanks for watching.